Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of crow hunting, so that's why I'm actually talking a little bit quiet. I already have decoys placed out and I'm already in the edge of the wood line. I've done some scouting on this place and I came here 2 nights ago and there had to have been at least 50 to 60 crows, like literally everywhere. But there's a compost pile out in the field here and I kind of wanted to set up on that. But at the same time, there's crows coming from everywhere, so I actually set up in the green piece with a few decoys. I actually have real crow decoys this time instead of socks. We got 3 of them out there. They're pretty realistic looking. They're a little bit old. I could hit them with some clear coat to shine them up a little bit, but I just didn't have time. That's what the front of them look like. And for these crows today, I ain't messing around. I got the old Browning A5, but I'm rocking 3.5 inch goose loads. So we're gonna see how this folds up the crows. Hopefully it does pretty well. I think it should. And plus it is goose season right now. We haven't been having any luck goose hunting yet, which is kind of a bummer. We've gotten a couple, but nothing worth making a video over. But I am on the river. Actually, the river's right behind me. You probably see that. And there's a good chance that geese can possibly land in behind me too. I've already seen a bunch of ducks go over. Those aren't in season yet, but crows and geese and gray squirrels. So let's see what we can come up with today. Got him. Let's go, boys. Let's freaking go, boys. We got one. That 3.5. Oh crap, dude. What an adrenaline rush, man. It's just a crow, I know, but what such an adrenaline rush. Heart's pounding. Okay, so I shot that one crow. We just added him into the decoy spread. I hear more crows calling. Wow, that 3.5 inch wrecked that crow, man. I mean, folded him. I know I definitely got that on the camera, so that's awesome. I'm gonna start calling some more and see if we can get another one. Guys, we just folded 2 more crows. They came in perfectly. I didn't get it on this big camera. I didn't have time to turn it on. I just see them coming out of the corner of my eye. Let's go get them. Had a little problem finding bird number 2. It's because he fell into the soybean line. So that's number 3 right there, guys. This is my best day ever so far. Crow hunting. Best day ever crow hunting. Those crows came in like clockwork, beautifully. So what I did, just add them straight to the decoys. So now we've doubled our decoy spread already. This is perfect. Alright guys, we are back. Dude, we stinking killed them, man. I had a quad pack come in, so there's no way really I was gonna get 4 of them, but smoldered 2. This is awesome. You know what, guys? This calls for a catch and cook. I'm gonna cook up some crow today for you guys. You can watch me eat it. Stay tuned, boys. We're gonna smash some more. Got one. That other one's hurting. Hopefully he'll come back. I just hit his leg. I can see his leg hanging. Maybe I'll actually go search for him after. Right now, I'm gonna go get this crow. Dude, I might have to run back to the freaking truck to get more shells. I only got 4 more shells left. I didn't think it was gonna be this good, being honest. Baby, that is 4. Oh, guys, this is literally incredible. This is incredible. Best freaking day crow hunting I have ever had. This right here. What is this now? I've killed 2 crows in my life before this, so that means killed 4 now, just today. So I've tripled what I've killed, or I've tripled what I've ever shot for crows in my life, in like literally maybe half an hour. They really like this little call I'm using. It's just a cheapo. It's a Primo's crow call. We got it for turkey hunting, but they're loving it. I'm just doing a simple calling sequence like this. Just like that. Just 4 caws. And they're eating it up. The decoys definitely help. Last time I came out here I was using socks on water bottles, which is okay for a filler, but you want to have them nice crow decoys for sure. And be very well hidden. I'll show you where I'm hiding here in a second, or towards the end of the video. Well, boys, I got another one. I don't know why the second one is dying so hard lately. But I'm out of shells. Alright, boys. Let's go get this crow. So, I don't know what the deal with my GoPro mount is for my shotgun, but whenever I shoot that first initial or second shot, I don't really know. It always comes basically flying off. So if you guys know a good GoPro mount for a shotgun, let me know down in the comments, because I need one, clearly. Yeah, I shot that second one, definitely hit the son of a gun. I knew I hit him. It looked like he freaking pretty near folded, but he just kept on going, and I missed him the third shot. So there we go, right there, guys, another crow. Big beaky son of a guns. I'm gonna make something out of these crows. I ain't letting them go to waste. I know most people just shoot them for the fun of it, and that's cool and all, and you know, whatever, but I kind of like crow. It's good. So what I'm doing right now is going to get some more shotgun shells, because I am out. These second birds, the sons of guns, are eating up my shells. But let's go get, I don't know. I don't want to waste too many of my 3.5s on these. I got a whole case of them, but I don't really want to waste too much on them. So let's go get some more shells. If you guys are a crow hunter, let me know down in the comments what your best day of crow hunting ever was. I'm kind of a newbie when it comes to it, but seem to be doing pretty good today. A lot better than the last crow hunting video I posted, where I didn't even shoot one. So yeah, let me know, guys, let me know. And also, what do you guys use for shells? Let me know that as well. I've tried everything pretty much, and it seems like the only thing I can kill them with is number 2 3.5-inch goose loads. So let me know. Alright guys, let me show you a little bit more about where I've been sitting. So you can see up above me, big trees, okay? So that gives you good aerial cover in case they fly over the top of you. And it also gives you, well, I also got this big tree right here, which gives me a lot of side cover. And then also this tree, that gives me some side cover. But I'm sitting right here. Ooh, another crow in range, guys. Not in range, but in earshot. But I'm sitting back in here, so I'm really nice and tucked back in, so you can't really see a whole lot of me. I'm gonna put this thing down and try to call that crow in. Alright guys, the crows have seemed to move to a different area, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna get for today. But still, what an amazing day for hunting crows. I've shot more crows today than I've ever shot in my freaking life. I've gotten 5 of them. I'm gonna pick them up right now. That was the decoy spread to begin with. That full body, that full body, and that full body, and they ate it up. I mean, ate it up, guys. So we're gonna take these guys home and clean them up, and we're gonna make something with them. I don't know what yet, but we're gonna make something. 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them. And 5. I've already looked for all my shell casings. I've gotten 8 of them. I can't find the other 4. I don't know where the heck they went. I know I shot 12 shells. I can't find them. At least I looked for them. It's on the edge of the field in the woods anyway, so it won't mess with the farmer at all. So I tried. But yeah, 5 nice crows, guys. 5 nice crows. Look at that. Pull my decoys. These full bodies work great. It's the first time ever using them. I think they look like pretty cheap ones or whatever. I don't know, I got them for free. Good job today, boys. Good job. Catch you at the house when I'm cleaning these crows. I'm gonna brush them out. I'm thinking about marinating the meat or something. I don't know yet. We'll find out. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you how to breast out one of these crows real quick. Basically, it's the exact same as any other bird you've ever breasted out in your life. Oh, here comes Remy boy, the dog. Just basically just get those few feathers out of the way. Like that. Try to keep the feathers away from the meat, obviously. It's a pain to get off. And then you just slice it just like you would any other bird. You know, just slice the skin off. These crows have been sitting for a little while, so I don't know how rugged they're going to skin, but they're still not bad. And you just like any other bird, pull that skin and feathers back. Oh, now I'm just talking a little bit. Just like that, and you got the their cavity, you know, opened up, their breast, right there. So then you just basically cut them off just like you would on any other bird, just following that rib cage, breastbone and rib cage. You don't get a lot of meat off a crow, I'm going to tell you that right now. There's not much meat. They're the size, I'd say the size of a, well, the last crow I shot was like the size of a chicken nugget. I'd say they're smaller than most other birds' breasts though. Just like that. There's your little crow's breast. Nice, it's really not that bad looking meat. It looks no different than a duck's meat, in my opinion. It's just that dark meat. I'm not going to show you doing every single bird because that just take way too long of a video. But I'll show you them once they're all done. Alright guys, there you have it. Your 10 crow breast. They're all cleaned up. We're gonna go just take and wash the feathers off it, trim them if we need to, and then we're gonna throw them into some marinade. Alright guys, so I just cleaned up the crow's breast, and what I did was I took the breast, laid it on a cutting board, and then I took a fork, stabbed a bunch of holes in it, and that's gonna make it so the marinade can really penetrate the meat, and it's gonna make it really good flavored. I already know it. The marinade I used, I just mixed together a little bit of Coca-Cola with some lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, or Winchester sauce as I call it, and some soy sauce, garlic powder, and salt. And that's it. So we're going to let that sit until dinner time, about 10 hours or so, and then we'll get back to you when it's cooking. Alright guys, you ready to cook this crow? Let's get to it. So we got the grill all preheated. I don't know exactly what temperature you want to cook this stuff at. All I know is I like to cook it until the internal temperature of the meat is like 180s. And that's just because crows eat a lot of nasty stuff, like they eat dead animals and whatnot. And there's a lot of other animals like do that too, like bear and stuff like that. But I got my crow meat right here. It's been marinating for about 9 hours or so. So what we're gonna do is just throw the breast right on the grill. So this is what the breast looks like. You can see all those little holes. That's where all the marinade will go in. Those are all the holes I made with the fork. So I'm just gonna toss those right on the grill. I'm not sure how long they're gonna take. I can let you know when they're done. But there we go. We're gonna close this up and we'll get back to you. Alright guys, let's see what this reads. That one says it's at 200. Ain't no way. Maybe. I don't really believe it though. Check this one. That sounds more realistic than 64. How the heck did that been that 200? Try it again. 180. This one. 165. Alright, I want these at about 180 plus degrees. So what I'm going to do right now is close this grill up, and I'm going to crank the heat up to about max. We're just going to watch them pretty close. I want them to get up to 185 or so degrees. Alright guys, here's our crow breast. I just took them off the grill there. They were at all about 200 degrees or so, which is more than enough. Really 180 is plenty, but they just happen to be at 200, so perfect. So we're going to cut right into these bad boys. I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not. I don't really have a wide lens camera, so I'll try to get everything in the picture. So, just cutting these things open. You get the char off the outside on some of these. Others are perfectly fine. It's actually more tender than I thought it was going to be because, I don't know, it must be those holes I poked in it. I don't know if that's it or not, but here we go guys. There's the crow. See those little holes I poked? It smells good. I mean, it smells like pork roast or something. I don't really know. I don't know guys. It just tastes like pork to me. It tastes no different than like a pork roast or something. And that marinade is like wicked good. Definitely guys, give that a go. I'd almost put this in like a... It's almost kind of tastes like... It tastes like jerky, but not tough. I don't really know how to explain it. It was wicked good. Right there guys. Well done crow meat. Wicked good. This is even better than the last time actually. I'm not even joking guys. Like this is legit good meat. And slice up another one. That brine is perfect. I think I told you before, but I put in Coca-Cola, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, I think garlic powder, salt. I think that's it. Can't really think of anything else. And yes, guys, this is still the crow breast I'm eating. I'm not lying to you. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 breasts left. I've eaten 1 breast. Here's the rest of number 2. There's a whole breast right there. Got a little char on the outside. I'd assume that's probably from the Coca-Cola, because of the sugar in it. I'd assume it's from the Coca-Cola. Alright guys, but I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm going to finish up this crow breast. Probably going to share a little bit with my wife as well. She actually likes it as well. So it's not just me. I'm not a freak, a weirdo, whatever. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know down in the comments if you like eating crow, what's your favorite recipe. And also let me know what you want me to do a catch and cook on next. I plan on doing some more crow hunting soon because, like I said, these breasts are awesome. But yeah, let me know what you want me to do a catch and cook on. It could be literally anything. Well, anything that's in the state of Vermont. That's legal to hunt or fish. But alright, let me know. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Catch you on the next one.